coming.
Go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
You'll freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any food either.
Don't worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right now, I'm going swimming.
Last one in's a rotten egg.
Come on out of there or I'll fill you full of wet. Bang! 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 Click, 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 click. No more bullets. Who knows what will happen next?
The magpie is the most charming bird in all the world. He is the best friend the farmer ever had. Treat him gently, treat him kindly, and always remember, the magpie deserves your respect.
That was fun. Let's try it again.
My keys. One more explode. Hurry up. Give me the keys. Oh.
What's up, Doc?
Give me the keys. Quick, get me out of this predicament. Hurry up, unlock these cuffs.
All right, now, keep your shirt on. Take it easy. Gee, he's an excitable type. Now, let's see now. There's the garage, the car, for the front door. There's the back door. Ah, here it is. Oh, well.
Ah, no, you don't. You're under arrest.
On what charge? You got nothing on me.
Oh, no? Well, listen to this. Resisting an officer, assault and battery, trespassing, disturbing the peace, miscellaneous misdemeanors, public nuisance, traffic violations, going through a boulevard stop, jaywalking, triple parking, conduct unbecoming to a wabbit,
Nice looking sample.
violating traffic regulations.
Hey, shut up. Why, look at you. You call yourself a Mountie. You're a disgrace to the regiment. I'm gonna drum you out of the service.
Yes, sir. I have just the little article you need, guaranteed to cure all headaches. Now I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
I ain't got no headache.
Oh, yes, you have, brother.
You know what I'm gonna do to you? I'm gonna punch you right square in the nose.
Disgrace to the regiment.
Come on, buck up. Don't cry. I'll give myself up. Here, take me in.
You really mean it? It's not another twig.
No, go ahead. Snap 'em on. Okay, Doc, let's go.
Ready, Mr. Wabbit?
Yeah, go ahead, Doc. I'm ready.
Before you die, you can make one last wish.
Yeah? Well, let's see now. I wish I wasn't the clay. Hooray! Hooray! Oh, and how ladies sing this song. Do that, the countdown racetrack right along. Fantastic, isn't it? Flying around all night, flying around all day. I'll bet my money on a bobtail night. Somebody stand on the